Hi everyone! Welcome back to Indoorsy Mom. Today I'm making a super quick and cheesy breakfast using just sliced bread, eggs, and cheese. This air fryer egg and cheese toast is crispy on the outside, soft and cheesy inside. Ready in minutes. In a bowl, crack 2 eggs. Add salt, pepper, and half the grated mozzarella. Whisk well and set aside. Take your sliced bread and gently press the center down with a spoon or your hands to create space for the egg mixture. Spread a thin layer of butter on both sides of each bread slice. This makes them golden and crispy. Place the bread slices in the air fryer basket. Scoop the egg mixture into the pressed center of each bread slice. Sprinkle the remaining cheese on top. Then add chili flakes and parsley for extra flavor. Air fry until the bread is golden brown, the eggs are set, and the cheese is bubbly, about 5 to 6 minutes. Serve hot while it's crispy and cheesy. And there you have it, a quick cheesy breakfast made with simple ingredients you already have at home. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more easy cooking ideas. See you in the next video.